Welcome to Rebuild Your Knowledge. We are celebrating Vasant Panchami on 16th Feb of 2021. The day of Vasant Panchami is dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, arts, wisdom, and the learning. She is the part of the trinity of Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati. This trinity helps Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh to create, maintain, and destroy, to regenerate the universe respectively. As per Devi Bhagwat, Goddess Saraswati is the wife of Lord Brahma. She abides in Brahmalok, the abode of Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma, who is the creator of the universe, also created Goddess Saraswati. Hence, she is also known as the daughter of Lord Brahma. Goddess Saraswati is also known by names such as Goddess Savitri and Goddess Gayatri. Goddess Saraswati was born out of the mouth of Lord Brahma. Hence, she became the goddess of speech, including music and the knowledge. It is believed that Lord Brahma was so enamored with the beauty of Goddess Saraswati that he desired to marry her, and many religious texts mention Goddess Saraswati as the consort of Lord Brahma. Being the husband of Goddess Saraswati, Lord Brahma is also known as Vagish, which means Lord of Speech and Sound. Goddess Saraswati is depicted as a beautiful woman dressed in pure white with a calm and soothing face. In most iconographies, she is portrayed as playing a veena while sitting on a blossomed white lotus flower. In most images, a swan and a peacock accompanies her, and in some images, she mounts on a swan. She is depicted with four hands. She holds a rosary and a book in two of her hands while playing a veena with remaining two hands. Significance of Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is also known as Shri Panchami as well as Saraswati Puja, especially in West Bengal. It should be noted that Saraswati Puja is also done during Sharad Navratri, which is more popular in South India. As per Hindu calendar, Vasant Panchami is observed during Shukla Paksh Panchami of Magh lunar month. On this day, Goddess Saraswati is worshipped during Purvahan time, which is the time before midday as per Hindu division of the day. Devotees adorn the deity with white clothes and flowers, as the white color is believed to be the favorite color of Goddess Saraswati. Usually, the sweets made of milk and white sesame or til are offered to Goddess Saraswati and distributed as prasad among friends and family members. In North India, yellow flowers are offered to Goddess Saraswati on the auspicious day of Vasant Panchami. Due to the abundance of blossomed mustard flowers and marigold gainda fool at this time of the year. The day of Vasant Panchami is significant for Vidya Arambh, the ritual of introducing young children to the world of education and formal learning. Most schools and colleges arrange Saraswati Puja on the day of Vasant Panchami. Vasant is the equivalent to spring and one of the seasons out of 6 Indian seasons in Hindu calendar. Vasant Panchami celebrations are none other than those in temples of Mathura and Vrindavan. The day of Vasant Panchami marks the beginning of holy festives in Brij temples. On the day of Vasant Panchami, most temples are decorated with yellow flowers. The idols are adorned with yellow dresses to mark the arrival of spring. In Sri Banke Bihari Temple of Vrindavan, priests start holy celebrations by tossing abir and gulal on devotees. Those who prepare Holika Dahan Pandal dig up holes and install holy danda, a wooden stick which would pile up with waste wood and dried cow dungs in next 41 days for Holika Dahan rituals.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
Celebrations in West Bengal. Vasant Panchami is celebrated as Saraswati Puja in West Bengal. Like Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja is celebrated with lots of devotion and enthusiasm. Saraswati Puja is performed specially by students. As a custom, the girl students wear yellow basanti sari and the boys wear dhoti and kurta. The students as well as artists keep education books, musical instruments, paint brushes, canvas, ink pots and bamboo quills in front of the idol and worship them along with goddess Saraswati. In Navidya Kul, which is jujube fruit and popularly known as ber in North India, apples, dates and bananas are offered to goddess Saraswati and later distributed among devotees. Even though the kul fruit is available in the market much before the festival, many people don't start eating it until the fruit has been offered to goddess Saraswati on Magh Panchami day. Apart from Saraswati Puja, Het Khori, that is the ceremony of learning Bengali alphabets and known as Vidya Arambh in other states, is performed on this day. In the evening, the idol of goddess Saraswati is taken out of the homes or pandals and immersed in the water body with a gala procession. Usually, the idol is immersed on the third day, but many people perform immersion on the same day of Saraswati Puja. In Punjab and Haryana, Vasant Panchami is pronounced as Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami rituals are not related to any worship. However, it doesn't make the occasion less significant as the day is marked with various fun and frolic activities to welcome the arrival of the spring known as Basant. The day is very popular for flying kites. Both men and women participate in the event. The activity is so popular that the demand of kites soars just before Basant Panchami, and kite makers have busy times during the time of the festival. On the day of Basant Panchami, the clear blue sky is filled with numerous kites with various colors, shapes and sizes. The school girls wear traditional Punjabi outfits known as gidda and participate in kite flying activities. To welcome the arrival of spring, they prefer wearing yellow colored dresses popularly known as Basanti color. Gidda, a folk dance from Punjab, is also very popular among schoolgirls on the eve of Basant Panchami.